New flywheel in. Coming over. It's our new Mantic triple disc. This thing is a complete unit. Big boy. So we'll give a shout out to Jeff at Manic for coming through as our new sponsor for the Vipers Clutch program. So you guys can go over there. I'll drop his link down in the description below so you can check out their clutches. We plan on throwing a lot at this one. Got the flywheel in now. Just gonna torque down some bolts. We'll be ready to go. So we got this going in now. We're on disc number 3. Yeah. We got alignment tool in. Everything seated. It's just time for the pressure plate. Big PP. This here is a really easy clutch to install. Extremely easy. And that thing looks good.
This is all I want to have done. Yeah.
Yep. Double checking them.
Done.
Boom. And there we have it. A triple disc in there, guys. Bam. See how thick she is. Clutch came literally right on time, like the perfect timing. Oh yeah. Dang it. It's like a rotation away. A little more. A little more. A little more. Yeah, tiny bit. There you go. Perfecto. Boom. Well, just got back in. Looking at our clutch here. I know it's pretty dark, but don't have my lights on. We get that transmission in. And we will be cooking with gas. Well, first, before I get the tranny in, I'm going to come through and get some light. Let's get some light so you guys can see this. Here we go. So, get that O2 out, pull that thing off, and I'm gonna actually wire in the 4.9 LSU widebands that came with my Motec kit here, and I'm gonna put those in while I got all this room for activities. So we're gonna go ahead and get those out and get that going. And I don't know. We may start it on motor tonight. So we'll see. If it goes far enough, we probably can do it. More than likely it may be the next episode here, but we should have a fair amount done tonight and be able to go in until tomorrow. So I'll check back with you guys here in just a second. Let's get some work done, and I'm gonna put this camera down. Looks like zero. Oh, we got the Motec installed. So here we are, cooking with gas. So I got just about everything ran. We're gonna pull the loom up from the bottom, and then we'll be able to tidy up some of these wires over here. Cody got it velcroed down pretty nice. Now we're probably about to try to stab this transmission now that we got this out of the way. But wanted to make sure you got those O2s and everything in before we got the transmission in the way to not do any of this stuff. So we'll be back in a second. So while I have very little battery life left, hopefully we get this. We got the trans about there. We're in the air, and we are almost in. We'll have the driveline in, but this might be a tomorrow project. It's late here tonight, so we will resume tomorrow. And boy, we're almost done. We got a few more things coming from Manic Clutch too, so be good to wait a tad. We'll see y'all in the morning.